Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out what could very well be the best snap cutter in the 14-inch category, the Seeutek manual tile cutter. This compact yet professional-grade tile cutter is built for both home DIYers and seasoned pros. If you're looking for smooth, clean tile cuts without all the mess of power tools, you'll want to stick around. Right out of the box, the Seeutek tile cutter feels solid. It's made from premium alloy, giving it strength and durability, but it's also lightweight enough to be easily portable. No need for installation or any complex setup. It's a ready-to-go manual tile cutter, perfect for those who value efficiency. One of the standout features of this tool is its dual rail system. These double chrome-plated rails add extra stability during the cutting process, and that's a big deal when you're aiming for precision. This design drastically reduces wobble, helping you get consistent results whether you're cutting ceramic, porcelain, or standard floor tiles. The ergonomic curved handle is another smart design choice. It gives you a firm and comfortable grip, which means less strain on your wrist and forearm, even during longer projects. It's clear Seeutek designed this cutter with real-world use in mind. Now, let's talk performance. The cutter comes with a tungsten carbide cutting wheel, which is known for its durability and sharpness. Cutting tiles is a smooth, dust-free experience, no noise, no need for electricity. You simply pull the handle back, position the tile, push forward to score, and press down to snap. The whole process is quick, clean, and surprisingly satisfying. Cutting capacity is also impressive for its size. The minimum cutting width is 1.38 inches or 35 millimeters, and it handles tile thicknesses between 6 millimeters to 15 millimeters. That's about a quarter inch to just over half an inch. It's well suited for most household tiles and even some tougher commercial-grade materials. Another thing I appreciate is the added bonus of an extra tungsten carbide wheel included in the box. That's great value, especially if you're planning to use this frequently. With high-quality ball bearings, smooth operation, and a reliable snap mechanism, the Seeutek 14-inch tile cutter delivers professional-level performance without the steep price tag. It's efficient, quiet, and incredibly easy to use. If you're working on a bathroom renovation, installing a new backsplash, or laying tile flooring, this cutter will save you time and effort. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIYer tackling your first big tile job, this tool is definitely up for the task. You get professional features and build quality for a fraction of what some of the bigger name brands charge. So there you have it, the Seeutek manual tile cutter, our pick for the best 14-inch snap cutter you can get right now. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a future tool breakdown. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Catch you in the next one.